Hey RecTech fans, how's it going? I'm going to be showing you guys my wheel upgrade today. Many of you have had the same problem as me, but you can see the original casters on the RecTech not very good. All the ball bearings got spit out of mine after I wheeled it around for about a year. So I'm doing an upgrade, and you could say mine is a little more extreme of an upgrade. I don't have the ones that you can just screw straight in. They do make a bunch of those. But I wanted the biggest ones I could get. These are 8" by 3", which will be great for going over mud or grass or anything, as opposed to these 1/2 inch or so wide tires that they have right now. You can see that the hole a bit small right now, so I'm going to be using a step drill bit up to 3/4 inch to get it drilled. That'll make it fit in, and then I'll have to drill another hole in the side to be able to put the bolt through to make it more stable. Alright, now that I've got that 3/4 inch hole done, I can start measuring for where the next hole is going to go on the side to hold the caster in place. You can see I removed the leg from the actual grill to drill it, and that step drill bit worked really good. So now I'm just going to put that in there, measure it up, and then drill that hole and put the bolt in. Alright, next up I'm going to be enlarging the holes from the original rear wheels. You can see it's a much smaller hole, and I'm using a 3/4 inch diameter bolt to make an axle for the rear wheels. So I'm going to again use that step drill bit to make the hole 3/4 inch on both the rear legs. And here's the end result after drilling the hole in the rear wheels and putting the bolt and the nut on. It's a lot easier to drill in this part of the metal because it's a lot thinner than the bottom of the front set where I had to put the casters in, and then after putting the nut on, I put a little bit of Loctite on to keep the nut just loose enough to where the wheels are going to turn easy. And here's what it looks like with all the wheels on the grill. As you can see, those new casters are a lot bigger than the old ones. So next step is going to be to shorten those front legs to make it so the grill sits level. Alright, this next step I got set up is I'm going to jack up the left side of the grill until it's level, and then compare the two measurements from when it was on the ground and level to figure out how much I need to take off the legs on the right side. Now that I have it all jacked up, it looks like the difference is about 4 inches that I'm going to have to take off the right side. I opened up the grill top to see if I liked it being a little bit higher, and it's a little nice, but it seems like it's just a tad too high, and I'm also worried about it being a little bit too top heavy, which it's already kind of top heavy, pulling it through the grass already. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take that 4 inches off the right side and then drill some new holes to set it in. Alright, I got those right side legs installed now that are shorter. The last part is going to be drilling some holes in the left side legs so I can make that shelf nice and level. And here's the finished product. You can see that the shelf is now level. The grill itself is about 2 or 3 inches higher, and I lost a little bit of shelf space to make it level, but no big deal. I also added a couple more wheels on the back. I had 4 of them anyways because I was planning on doing no casters, but the extra wheels seem like it makes it a little bit more stable, and it rolls really easily. I've got to roll it through gravel around here, and it rolls really nice. One last thing I'm going to do is eventually get an actual axle for the wheels as opposed to a bolt, but it's working really good for now. Thanks for watching the video.